Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to dive deep into the ViprTech Reaper 3.0 liquid-cooled PC, a top-of-the-line gaming and content creation powerhouse that combines stunning looks with raw performance. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best discounted price. At the heart of this beast is the AMD Ryzen 7 7700 processor, running at an incredible 5.3 GHz turbo when you need that extra burst of speed. This makes it perfect for competitive gaming, heavy multitasking, high-end video editing, and demanding 3D rendering. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super 12GB GPU, you can expect breathtaking visuals, ultra-smooth frame rates, and access to cutting-edge features like real-time ray tracing and DLSS for performance boosts without sacrificing quality. This rig is equipped with a massive 32GB of DDR5 6400 MHz RAM, so multitasking between games, streaming, and creative apps feels instant and effortless. Storage won't be a concern either, thanks to the ultra-fast 2TB NVMe SSD that loads games and large files in seconds while giving you more than enough room for your entire collection of games, videos, and work projects. One of the biggest highlights is the custom liquid cooling system. Not only does it keep the CPU running cool under extreme loads, but it also adds a sleek, premium look with its clean tubing and RGB accents. This means stable performance during long gaming marathons without thermal throttling. Powering it all is an 800 watts gold-rated power supply, ensuring energy efficiency and rock-solid stability even when every component is working at full capacity. Connectivity is fully modern, with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for fast wireless connections, plus VR-ready capabilities for those looking to step into next-generation immersive gaming. And since it comes with Windows 11 pre-installed, you're ready to get gaming, streaming, or working right out of the box. The ViprTech Reaper 3.0 is built for serious gamers, streamers, and creators who want an eye-catching, liquid-cooled rig that doesn't compromise on performance. From its lightning-fast components to its show-stopping design, this PC is ready to handle anything you throw at it, and look good while doing it. So, if you're ready to dominate your gaming sessions and future-proof your setup with a stunning performance machine, check the link below now to grab the ViprTech Reaper 3.0 at the best discounted price before it's gone.